If you're an aspiring business major, you'll definitely look forward to taking classes inside SVSU's newest addition to campus, the Scott L. Carmona College of Business. This three-story facility offers cutting-edge equipment used by Fortune 500 companies. Faculty can engage students in hands-on experiences utilizing resources that match global business trends rather than being limited to a traditional classroom setting. Our hardworking students have an adaptive space that allows them to innovate and freely share ideas with their peers and the business community, as well as prepare them for success in the workplace. The Carmona College of Business also features a communications, big data, and cloud computer lab that will increase your marketability to employers by strengthening your knowledge of state-of-the-art analytical technology and providing you with hands-on opportunities to apply financial data, perform statistical analyses, and develop new strategies to address business challenges. Our Consumer Behavior Lab has observation rooms and consumer tracking technology that allows you to combine classroom knowledge with practical experience, gain insight into consumer decision-making processes, conduct research, and facilitate your own focus group experiments. The Carmona College of Business facility strengthens an academic college that has earned AACSB International Accreditation, which is the gold standard distinction achieved by only 5% of business colleges in the world. This facility demonstrates SVSU's commitment to innovation and excellence and makes SVSU the region's premier business school. We are here outside the Carmona College of Business with our friend. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Jason Tunstall. I am a second year. My major is accounting.
Okay, very cool. So what is one helpful resource that you found within your department?
One helpful resource is the tutoring center. I find that the best, even if it's not just for my department. The accounting department for our tutoring is amazing. Every single question I've had for 213, 214 so far has helped me amazingly, and it is something that I recommend to all students.
Yeah, that's very cool. So what is something really cool that you've gotten to do inside the classroom?
So inside the classroom, the Scott Carmona College of Business was just built, and one of my classes, my microeconomics class, we are inside one of the new active learning classrooms. So there are projectors all around the room, and we get to, as a group, go across to every single project and help each other out, not just on our computers, but all around the classroom. So it's really cool to be a part of that.
That is awesome.
Yes.
What's your favorite part about your department?
My favorite part about my department is that so many people are a part of my department. So at my previous university, I was maybe one of 5 students that I knew that was in the accounting program, but I come here, there are so many people that can help me. There's so many professors that are so willing to help us and so willing to learn themselves, and it's just something that I never imagined ever.
That's amazing. That's awesome. So finally, what's one helpful tip that you can provide to somebody who might be interested in your major?
One helpful tip is please ask for help. I know people are usually prideful, and I understand that new people think that they understand things. They really don't, because it's okay. We all make mistakes. So one helpful tip is please ask for help. Everyone is willing to help you. Everyone is willing to learn themselves, so please ask for help.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem.